Discriminations. Price discrimination means charging different prices from different customer or for different units of the product. Definitions: the act of selling the same article produced under single control at different prices to different buyers is known as price discriminations. Types of price discriminations. Following types are as under: according to person, according to nature of the product, according to age, according to time. Now we can discuss the price discriminations in detail. According to persons, it may be personal based on the incomes of the consumer. Example: charging for high fees by the doctor from rich classes and lower fees from poor classes. According to the nature of the product, price discriminations may be based on the nature of the product. Unbranded produce like computer are sold at low prices than a branded computer, or in the winter season hotel are available at very low rates, while in summer seasons high rates are charged in the northern area. According to age, charging less from the children by the barbers, charging low rates from ladies and military person in the cinema hall. Geographically, low prices are charged in these markets where majority of buyer is poor classes, and higher price where majority in rich classes. Conditions. Following conditions are as under: difference in demand. For profitable discriminations, the demand in separate markets must be considerable different. Different prices can be charged in the separate markets based on difference of elasticity of demand. Low price is charged where demand is more elastic, and high price in the market with the less market elastic demand. Again, agreement between rival sell. Price discrimination is only profitable when the seller of a commodity is a monopolist, or when rival seller enter into any agreement for the sale of the product to different customers. Ignorance of buyer discrimination is also profitable when small manufacturers sell goods made on order. They charge different rates to different buyers depend upon the intensity of their demand for the product. Price discriminations or under discriminating monopoly. Price discrimination is possible when monopolist divides the buyer of his product or services into two or more groups and then charges different prices to each group. The analysis is based on the following assumptions. Following assumptions: he produced that product at which MC is equal to MR as he sell his output in two different markets, adjusted his output that MR in both the markets are equal. Assuming no change in MC of the product, the most profitable output will be determined at a point where combined MR of both the markets equal. Number of buyers in each market are large and there is perfect competition among them. No possibility of transfer of commodity from one market to another. The AR curve in each market is downward sloping. The elasticity is two different markets must be different. Now we can explain a diagram. Summation MC, summation MC, summation MR, summation AR, quantity star, E star. MR2, AR2, equilibrium 2. MC2. MR1, AR1, equilibrium 1 और MC1. Q2, Q1. Price 1, price 2. Shaded area is called a price discriminations. One market is called less market and more elastic than equilibriums. Diagram explanations. The monopolist sell his output in two markets. MR1 plus MR2 is equal to MR star. The equality of MC star and MR star curve at point E star determines the equilibrium level of output OQ star. The monopolist divides the whole market in market 1 less and market 2 more. Low price, ठीक है ना, low price and sells more output and is less elastic market charges high price, sells low output and therefore maximum profit. The difference between P1 and P2 shaded area is called a price discriminations. Okay. Price discriminations now we can explain in उर्दू. इम्तियाजी कीमत. इम्तियाजी कीमत एक ऐसी सूरत हाल है जिसमें अजारादार की जानब से एक जैसी अशिया व खिदमात को दो या दो से ज़्यादा मुख्तलिफ़ कीमतों पर फ़रोख्त किया जाता है. इम्तियाजी कीमत के तजज़िये में हम ये फ़र्ज़ करेंगे कि अजारादार की पैदा करदा अशिया या मुहैया करदा खिदमत हर लिहाज से एक जैसी है. नीज़ अजारादार के इन अशिया या खिदमात को पैदा करने के मसारफ भी एक जैसी हैं, लेकिन अजारादार मुख्तलिफ़ गाहकों से इसकी कीमतें मुख्तलिफ वसूल करता है. इम्तियाजी कीमत की अक़साम. इम्तियाजी कीमत बिल्लिहाज शख्स. इम्तियाजी कीमत जिसमें अशखास ख़रीदारों में फ़र्क की बिना पर शय की मुख्तलिफ़ कीमतें वसूल की जाती हैं, शख्सी इम्तियाजी कीमत कहलाता है. जैसा कि डॉक्टर अमीर आदमी से पैसे ज़्यादा और गरीब आदमी से पैसे कम लेता है. इम्तियाजी कीमत बिल्लिहाज अजूज़. इम्तियाजी कीमत जिसमें शय के इस्तेमाल में फ़र्क की बिना पर शय की मुख्तलिफ़ कीमतें वसूल की जाती हैं, इम्तियाजी कीमत बिल्लिहाज इस्तेमाल कहलाता है. जैसा कि पाकिस्तान में सुई गैस तजारती सार्फिन से घरेलू सार्फिन की निस्बत ज़्यादा कीमतें वसूल की जाती हैं.